Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add Google Analytics to a Wix website. So, you marketers and business owners out there, if you're working with a Wix website, we are going to show you how to add that Google Analytics to your Wix website. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that like, share, comment, and subscribe button. My name's Mac Frederick. Every week, I like to give tips and tricks about digital marketing, SEO, and how to grow your business. So make sure you follow me and connect online. I run an agency, Momentum Digital, in Philadelphia, and I am here to help if you are a small business owner or marketer. So today, let's jump into how to add Google Analytics to a Wix website. So real quickly, if you're new to Wix, you could just go to wix.com, create a free website, or buy some sort of package, premium package with them. We're going to be using my friend's website, Bowers Construction, here. And if we go to his website, one thing I like to look at real quickly is using Google Chrome. You see we're using Chrome in the top left here. You can download Chrome extensions. I like to use the Google Tag Assistant. So download that extension. You'll see there's no Google Analytics. So you can add Google Analytics. You can also go to analytics.google.com. Once you're in here, you're going to, and real quickly, what Google Analytics is and what it does, you can just type in Google Analytics. Do a quick search for that, watch some YouTube videos. This allows you to view and analyze traffic, where they're coming from, what they're doing on your website, how your website's working, how it's converting, what pages they're going to, where they're coming from, what devices they're using, what behaviors and actions they're taking on this website, and a lot of interesting data on demographics, geographics, and various devices and reporting. So it's a great tool to use. Once you're logged into analytics, you want to make sure you're on the admin tab down here. I'm going to move myself over. And what you're going to do is click create account. We're going to call this Bowers Construction. And I like to just check all these boxes here. And we have one left. So this is our last account we can create. We'll call this Bowers Construction here. We work with hundreds of small businesses and websites. Choose your time zone. You don't need the advanced options. Hit next. You can choose a category here. We're going to do business and industrial, small company. How do you intend to use Google Analytics? These are new questions they ask. We're going to click a couple of these. Measure lead gen, create. You don't have to click all those. It might just be helpful for Google to know. Make sure to accept those buttons and then choose how we're going to collect data. We're going to use a website, so we're going to choose web. This is just for data streams. You don't necessarily need to do this, but this is a new preference Google's pushing. Oops, let's go to stream. This isn't fully necessary, but you just want to set that up. What we do want to find though is we want to go to setup assistant. Just look through here quick. But what you really want is your next step should be property settings. And in here, you'll save that. And we're setting up a property for Google Analytics. Save here, setup assistant. Let's go back. You can always create a new property too. It says create a Google Analytics 4. So GA4 is like their new property software they're using for Google Analytics. That's totally fine. So here we see the account, Bowers Construction. You can see the account settings, the account ID. You can turn on these settings, account access. You can invite new users. What we really want is the analytics ID. So in here, this is the property, setup assistant, tag installation. That's what we're looking for. We want the tag installation. The installation ID for web is this. And so what we're going to do here is go to property settings. We're going to copy this property ID, save that, You can also go down to attribution settings. You can mess around with reporting and different things in here. This is all kind of advanced stuff. What we're going to try to do here is next go into Wix. And once you're in Wix, what you want to do is go to Marketing and SEO. And from here, you can scroll down and you can see different things like marketing integrations. Once you're in marketing integrations, you want to go to Google Analytics, set up Google Analytics. You want to get a tracking ID, the GA4, use Google Analytics ID. And we're going to paste that here. So if it doesn't come up right away, you want to put UA dash and then put the code. Oops. Give me 1 second. I'm actually going to jump back into the property tab. Instead of doing the new tag, which is this one, we're going to create Bowers new. It's a GA4, but we want to go to a different setting to make it a little bit easier for you. Show advanced options. Create a universal analytics property instead of GA4. Put in the website. And then it'll create both properties if we want, but we already have Google Analytics 4, so we're going to create a universal analytics property. They're really pushing all businesses to the GA4 tag. It's the new tag that they're trying to focus on for pretty much all marketing. Choose these if you want. And then we're going to create that tag, and it'll give us the tracking ID, the UA tag right here. It'll also give you the site tag code if you want to custom code it onto the website. But for Wix, we just need this tag right here, which you can see in this drop down. Here's the universal analytics tag. We already copied that tag. We're going to go over to Wix. Remember marketing integrations for marketing SEO, marketing integrations. Choose Google Analytics Connect. Use Google Analytics ID. We're going to paste that here and hit save. That is now connected. Next thing you might want to do is look into Google Search Console. So Google Search Console is what we'll show in the next video. So now this is connected and set up. We can jump back over to Google Analytics. This should be saved and implemented. So now you'll be able to track a lot of information within Google Analytics. It should give you an overview tab right here. And this is where you see everything you need. You've got the home screen, and then you've got the audience acquisition, behavior, and conversions. And so now this should be set up and working. You can always go back. You might need to republish the website with Wix. You should be able to go back to the website, hit refresh, and once the website is updated, you should be able to refresh this, and right here we see the Google Analytics tag. Boom, there you go. It is set up and working. Now you can customize the website and make it better. Those are our next steps with the Bowers Construction website. We want to build this out and optimize it for SEO. Google Search Console will be in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, notes, and concerns, leave them in the comments section, and keep hustling, make some money, and grow that business. If you ever need any help, go to needmomentum.com and just request more information for how we can help grow your business. We work with tons of small business owners and entrepreneurs. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and see you in the next video about Wix and Google Search Console.